What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a two-part, second part, I don't know what to call it, of my room tour. There's some parts of the room that I didn't show you guys, and so today I'm going to show you in the video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I realized that I did not show you guys my closet. So this is the closet. I just color coordinated the top. And as a hack, if you are living in an apartment with more than 2 people, you can actually store your food in your closet, which is what I'm doing here. I just have all like my dry food items, and then like my water and like feminine products and tissue and toilet paper below. And I got an iron because I have a lot of clothes that need to iron. But if you are a person who walks with like clothes that don't need to iron, obviously you don't need an iron. But I just bought mine from home. And yeah, I buy water. I don't drink the water here from the tap unless things get rough. So yeah, and yeah, this is how I keep in here. I just have cereal, I have canned food, I have nuts, all of that. So I actually just store my food in my closet, so that's fine. Oh, another tip is to, like, if you have dried basil leaves or a Christmas bush locally called Christmas bush, if you have these, you can just crumple it up and sprinkle it across your food so that it prevents weevils from coming into your closet. So yeah, that's a pro tip. I also know that in the video I showed you guys me packing out the suitcase and putting all my shoes in here, but I just switched it up in the video and I put all my sneakers in here and my boots and stuff, so it's easier, and all my other shoes are under my dressing table. This box is not going to stay here, but I just have it there. I also have a fridge in my room because I have 4 roommates, and so I believe that's going to be a bit crowded outside, so I bought a mini fridge. It doesn't have a freezer, so I actually use the freezer outside, but it's very helpful in storing my food, and everyone else would have space in the fridge outside. But if you do not have 4 roommates, you do not need a mini fridge unless you are a person who prefers to have your stuff in your room. But I won't recommend you buying a mini fridge unless you really and truly need it. And on here I just have my plates, bowls, cups, utensils, my smoothie blender, and a few snacks that I had opened. Alright, so over here now is my desk area. I really like how over here looks. But yeah, I just have my planners, I have a lamp. I definitely recommend getting a lamp if you do not have a lot of light in your room, because when you have to study at night, things get rough and you can't see anything, so you need a light. I have my laptop here, my headphones, then I just have this little stand for my phone. I have a mouse that came with my laptop. When I'm charging my phones, I usually just put them here while they're charging. And yeah, in these drawers I have like school supplies and a few electronic things like my chargers and stuff like that. I have my backpack here, and I just put these pins on here because I'm extra. So yeah, and then on this window here I actually have a few pictures. I have a picture of my family right here. I have a picture of my family, and then I have some pictures of some of my friends from here in Barbados, UE, and we're all idiots, as you can see. And I just have them on some Christmas lights or string lights or fairy lights, however you want to call them. Let me turn it on. Yeah.
This is my bathroom right here. I just put this mat and towel here because the mat doesn't soak up a lot of water, so to prevent the bathroom from being wet and stuff like that, I just put an old towel. And thankfully I had this green one to match. I'm just extra, but I had this old green one to match the shower curtain, and my inner curtain actually matches underneath my bed, underneath the comforter, so everything matches, and then the mats are black. Come on, focus me. Right, the mats are black. This sink skirt is white so it can match the black and white part of the room. I just have some face wash here. I have my toothpaste, toothbrush, and I have some soap. I actually have a green soap, but I'm not going to put it up yet because I still have this. Obviously my toilet, my mat, my toilet paper holder, and yeah.
And I just have some Lysol here because we all get germs somewhere, and I have some hand sanitizer.
When our water decides to come off, it's on today, so we're fine.
In my shower here, I just have my shower caddy. Here I just have some body wash, Dettol, or what is it called? Savlon. I recommend that you guys get some because when the water comes off, whenever it decides to, you can just put it in your water and it'll be good for when you're bathing and stuff like that, and just basically disinfect the water for you guys. I have some mouthwash. This cannot fit outside obviously, so I just keep it in here. And I bought this bath mat because I am not standing on this tile. I am not standing on this tile while I bathe, so that's that. The tile isn't dirty. It just looks like this. I scrubbed it, everything today, and I just put down this bath mat because I mean that I am not standing on here. You can obviously, if you're living on halls, you can use your slippers and stuff like that to bathe, because I won't recommend you buying a shower mat to use it and pick it up every time you finish bathing and stuff. Just get slippers and go and bathe. Simple like that. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys liked how my room looked and that you enjoy it. As you can see, I have a black and white problem, so yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video and stay awesome. Like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna